one cannot separate climate issues with development issues. And one cannot separate development issues with climate issues because we need to make development more sustainable. In making development more sustainable, ultimately, we bring in the climate perspective. For instance, and then this is what the current discussion, and I think that C2G is dealing with. This is the so-called geoengineering approaches. But the point is, we cannot approach none of those issues in isolation to the others, because adaptation will never function properly without mitigation. Mitigation will never properly function without adaptation. And geoengineering will never function without the two others. So it's in the context of the overall governance of the climate issues that the specific element of each of those three components should be discussed, not in isolation. And this is my personal view on the governance issue and the proper issues. Because each of them has constraints, each of them have trade-off limitations, and then we need to better understand those.